Hello dear learners, hope you are doing great. So far we have been dealing with inbuilt R datasets. However, when you work on data analysis project, you will need to import the data into R from outside source. Let's say you are working with a dataset that is sitting somewhere on your PC. You want to import it into our environment. What other options do you have? This is what we will discuss in this video and in couple of upcoming videos. R works with tons of different data files. It works with CSV file, text file, Excel file. It also works with proprietary software file systems such as SAS or SPSS. It can also read files from relational databases. And there are lots of other data file types that R works with. However, in business, we will encounter two most widely used data files, the Excel and CSV file. So we are going to narrow down our focus on these two file types, and we will look at importing the data into R from Excel and CSV file. In this video, we will import the data from CSV file. So what is a CSV file? A comma-separated values CSV file is a plain text file that stores data by delimiting or separating data entries with commas. A CSV file has a fairly simple structure. It's a list of data separated by commas. These files are often used for exchanging data between different applications. There are different versions of CSV files though, depending on the type of delimiter. There is a tab separated file. Here the delimiter is tab space. There is semicolon separated file. Here delimiter is semicolon. There is a space separated file. The delimiter is empty space. In this video, we will import CSV file. So let's open the RStudio and import the file. There are two different ways in which you can import the CSV file. First, using RStudio's environment pen, which is very easy option to import the file. Another way is to use the read.csv file function in our script to import the file. We're going to see both these options. So let's start with the first one. We will import our IMDb movies dataset. This is a CSV file, and if you want to get this file, you can check my GitHub repository. The link you will find in the description. Go to the GitHub repo and download the file on your machine. Okay, now open the RStudio, go to Environment Pen, and there you will see the Import Dataset option. If you click on this option, it will give you a list of different file types you want to import. For the text file in particular, there are two options available. You can use import CSV function from base R package, or you can use import CSV function from read R package. In this video, we will import the file using base function. So let's select that option. Select the folder in which you have saved the CSV file, and then select the file you want to import. In the import dataset window, you will be presented with various options. You can also see the dataset preview. On the top left hand corner, you can write the name of the data frame object. By default, file name shall be used as the data frame object name. Then there is a heading option. This option will allow you to use the first line of data as column headers. If you don't want the first line as column header, you can select no. Then you can select the type of delimiter and other options. You can set the decimal points, code, and comments option. You can use default values. Then you can select the type of delimiter and other options. You can set the decimal points. Quotes and comments option, you can use default values. In any.string option, you can set a character vector of string which will be interpreted as any values. Finally, you have to uncheck the string as a factor option. This will ensure that the character data is not converted into factor data while importing a data frame. And then click on import. You will find the new data frame object gets created in Informant Pen. You can click on it to view the data set. You can also check if the data file is properly imported in R using head function. So head IMDb, it should give the first 6 rows as an output. Super. So this is an easy way to import a data, but it is not a preferred way because I would like to use the data import function which is part of a main code. This helps in figuring out which file is being used for the analysis and from which source. So in the next video, we will use read.csv function to import the data file. I will see you in the next video.